What's up, YouTube? Yes, indeed. There's quite a few bikes here, but the one that we are working on today is not around. Well, it's around, but it's in the trail. It's Dyno Day, folks, man. We going to the Dyno. Ha! Y'all said we had stock bikes, so we gonna go keep them stock, make them stocker. But no, today is 0711. We're gonna get it all dialed in because we bought it used, and the people we bought it from mess with the ECU, and it has no power in first, second, or third. It does not wake up until fourth gear, and we believe it has something to do with that ECU uterus. We're gonna go take it to the dyno, get it all squared away, and see how much horsepower this thing is really gonna make. Hey, because you filled up on pump one, does that mean we're gonna be in first place?
Always.
Oh, okay, cool. Not first, you're last. Yeah, Dyno Day, Dyno Day. Guys, we got about another hour and 40 minutes to go.
Don't forget to hit the bell, man, so you get them notifications.
The bell, so you get the notifications, man. Made it down, up the road. It's not down the road, it's up the road. So yeah, definitely up the road. So we are up the road, unstrapping, Shell 11, and about to get in here on the ground. Up here for all cycles, got my boy Kyle Gamble in the back. Y'all didn't know where we were going, now you see where we at, man. He about to see what he can do with this. There she is. She about to get up there. We gonna get some numbers. Coming up, we'll get that baseline on it, working with it. This thing was slow. told y'all it was slow. 168 horses, man. What the hell? Come on, Kawasaki. Who did this? Whoever had this bike before us, we about to fix it, because that ain't right. That ain't right. I can't even say I'm unhappy, honestly. I thought it was gonna have that much power. Yeah, I expected something like that, like less than 170-ish. I did not expect it to have more than that, so I'm not disappointed at all. So right now we're about to flash the ECU. Well, actually, we're gonna read the ECU, see what's going on with it, find out what all they did to it, and then we're gonna correct it and run some new numbers and see if we can get it right. Stay tuned. Kawasaki if we didn't have some Cali problems, so half the bike wasn't put together. Airbox wasn't on all the way.
She's down now.
Now the airbox is finally down. Yeah, this side's down. Alright, so we are putting it back together. What airbox going on here? Got traffic control off, in full power mode. We about to take it for another spin, see what she do. because that bike would not get in the wind like that before. We appreciate that. Man, woo, boy, what a day, what a day. Ha ha. We are back at the Bat Cave, and we got this beast and the other beast back in the lab and ready to rock, man. It was a long day. We did a lot to this thing. ECU had to get reflashed so many times because there were so many things wrong with it. Now we've got everything disabled, everything unlocked, unrestricted, and she makes a whopping wop and an anonymous, you know what I'm saying? It's got like 22 foot-pounds of torque, you know what I mean? And oh man, this thing is just a straight freaking rocket ship. So if you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more content, because we got a whole lot more of this coming all year. This is just two of a few that we have for this year's upcoming race season. So don't forget to subscribe. Falker Motorsports, Tomcat Decals. Big shout out to A.C.P for getting this thing together. It was all in the computer. So we'll see y'all at the track. Y'all be safe.